Want to know the secret behind AI's intelligence? It all starts with data. Hi everyone, Jen is this side and welcome to AI Central. Today, let us explore the three core steps of how AI uses data to make decisions. The first step is AI systems gather huge amount of data, and this data can come from sensors, websites, cameras, or even from our mobile phones. For instance, if we consider the AI system that should be able to predict the weather, then we can collect data from temperature sensors, satellites, or say past data can also be utilized for analyzing the patterns. And this brings us to the next step of pattern analysis. Once the data is collected, AI systems learns the relationships and tries to find the internal patterns from it. For example, if there is a drop in temperature and there are pressure changes, then it may cause a storm. So likewise, the patterns are analyzed. Next is the step 3, which is making the decisions. Once the patterns are learned, now the AI system can predict the tomorrow's weather, and it can also suggest that if there will be a rainfall or the temperature will be sunny. So likewise, these are the core steps starting from data collection, pattern analysis and making decisions. So this was all about today's video of how AI uses data. If this made any sense to you, do stay connected and follow AI Central for more details. See you guys in the next video.